If you have 100,000 pesos and you're asking yourself, anong negosyo ba ang magandang simulan? Now, let's talk about online reselling. That's our third potential business. You can start this right from home. All you need is your phone, good products, and a little marketing. Products to sell, gadgets, home items, skincare, or anything trendy. The key is to sell what people are already searching for. Capital breakdown here is 50K for initial inventory, 15K for packaging and weighed bills, 15K for ads, 20K buffer or extra stocks. Permits required, DTI for formality and credibility. MIRS permit optional, of course, depending on whether small-scale home sellers or big ones. You needed these permits for you to be able to sell at TikTok, Shopee, Lazada, and other e-commerce platform. What are the usual challenges? Of course, price wars and shipping delays. Now, solution, you offer better customer service, freebies, and fast replies. Location setup, just have a clean space at home and fast Wi-Fi. Marketing tips, use TikTok Live, Shopee Live, Facebook Live, join trending challenges, sell via Shopee, TikTok, Lazada, and Facebook groups. Earning potential, 3,500 daily profit, 91,000 monthly. ROI is just in 2 months. And how do you scale this? You can launch your own brand or website using fulfillment centers later on.